This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 AACA Fall Meet, commonly known as Hershey. We're in a growing segment of the historical preservation of original features, HPOF. All of these cars are virtually original. There are some things which are allowed, just a little bit of paint, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, but not major, not restored. These are original. Like that's a replacement top, but look at this paint. That is original. This stuff is great. So much is involved here, so many cars, it's great. Again, look at the differences. All the other cars that we've got, Duster on through to the Rio. I mean, wow. This 1934, yes, that is original, folks. DeSoto, Buick, Pierce Arrow. I mean, this Chrysler wagon. You're only original once, and we've been encouraging more and more to stay original. I am shocked with this Pierce. I am shocked. But things like this happen. This is a 26 Pierce Arrow Series 80. You can see. All right, it's been touched up, painted a little bit there. Now remember, pinstripes are were always painted by hand. But look at this. A lot of this is, yes, original. You're allowed certain things. There is variation. Little Torino. I'm going to flip over here because I love the imports. The Volkswagen. This is a 51 Beetle original. Now, here, I'll show you what I mean. Look at that fender. That is great. I like the vents over there. You just don't see it. The trafficators are up there.
I don't know how you would tell them apart.
This is great. Split window, of course, the infamous split window. We got the Pagoda over here, the Mercedes 280 SL, the little MGB. Nice. BMW. I mean, this is half the fun right here, is finding these cars. You know, you get the barn finds and you say, oh, look what I've got. And a Chrysler Imperial. These are cars which you don't have to show, polish up, repeat, original. 39 Chrysler Royal. I'm sorry, it's a Royal.
Military blue. Oh, yeah.
Remember this one coming in? I've got you on video. That Rambler over there. I love this Chrysler wagon. Have to capture that. The Rolls Royce. Yeah, it's not what the car is. It is how original and preserving the car. That is the idea. 1914. 1914, folks. This is a Han B. H-A-H-N. Han was a major truck manufacturer.
63 years or?
For a truck to survive is pretty remarkable. I love the way they mounted the horn. That is cool. That is cool. Hello, how you doing? This gets more people involved in the hobby and coming on out. And it's interesting with AACA is that they are looking to grow and include more and more people at realistic points. You could see what's here. Look at that Pontiac next to Packard, Buick, Oldsmobile. Even newer cars. Remember, you have to be, I think it's 25 years, if not 30 years. That's an 87. What a cool division. What a cool division. This gives you an idea, though, which is really pretty nice. Again, this is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2021 AACA Fall Meet in Hershey, PA. For more cool events like this, make sure you check your car show calendars. NortheastWheelsEvents.com, SoutheastWheelsEvents.com, UKWheelsEvents.com, and of course, while you're there, post and share your events directly on the calendars. And if you like this video, click subscribe. I'll see you at the shows.